Welcome to the fascinating world of physics, where reality is stranger than fiction. Yes, in our today's video, you will find that reality is really stranger than fiction. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of time crystals. Here, time crystals, ordinary crystals. Ordinary crystals repeat in space, but time crystals repeat in time. And they time crystals actually break the time translation symmetry. Yes, they break time translation symmetry. What is time translation symmetry? Time translation symmetry means laws of physics remain same over time. If you do an experiment today, or if you repeat the experiment tomorrow, or after a million years, if you repeat the same experiment, then the results remain the same. That is known to you, and that is laws of physics. Laws of physics don't change over time, that is known to you. That is called time translation symmetry. But these new state of matter, yes, of course, these are new state of matter, time crystals, okay? They break this time translation symmetry of physics. And since they break time translation symmetry of physics, that's why they are called a new state of matter. Actually, this was proposed by Wilczek in the year 2012. He was actually Nobel laureate. So Nobel laureate Frank Wilczek proposed these time crystals in the year 2012. But experimentally, this was found in year 2021 by Google's quantum team and other researchers. They actually created time crystals, and they found that the atoms or the qubits flipping endlessly back and forth without any input energy. Yes, they found the atoms or the qubits flipping endlessly back and forth without any input energy. Okay, time, if something is following time translation symmetry, that means that is following conservation of energy principle. And since these new state of matter, that is the time crystals, break the time translation symmetry, that means they are not following conservation of energy principle. And you can see that you are getting a continuous motion. Okay, since they are flipping back and forth endlessly without any input energy. So you can see that here conservation of energy principle is not being obeyed by the time crystals. That doesn't mean this is a perpetual motion machine. Okay, that doesn't mean it is a perpetual motion machine. But problem is there. Problem is there means special quantum systems are required. Special environments are required. The quantum system should be far from equilibrium. And in such quantum systems, you can see this new state of matter, that is time crystals. Okay, and scientists have already found possibilities of using this to develop new technologies such as quantum computing systems. Okay, they have found different reasons are there for which these things could be used to develop technologies, and already we have found many things such as this new state of matter, or the time crystals are defying entropy. They are challenging this new state of matter. This is challenging our very understanding of time, and they are pointing toward technologies that sound like science fiction, but slowly they are becoming a reality. So time crystals are what? Time crystals are a new state of matter which break time translation symmetry. And many other properties are also there. Those things will be discussed in separate videos. Okay, so this was all about today's topic, time crystals. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you found this video mind-bending, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.